Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about salt versus sodium. This is a video, it's a first video in a long series of videos on reducing our salt intake and all the ramifications associated with that, both good and not so good. First of all, we want to clarify, some people are confused because the words sodium and salt are often used interchangeably. They're not quite the same thing. Salt can also be referred to as table salt, and it can also have the name based on where it was derived from. It could be Himalayan pink salt, sea salt, black Hawaiian salt, all kinds of different table salts that are out there, or just plain old iodized salt. So salt is a combination of sodium and chloride. It has about 40% sodium, about 60% chloride in there. It may also have some other elements in there based on where it was derived from, but basically 40% sodium, 60% chloride. Sodium, of course, is an element that is found in salt. It's a very necessary element for the body. We use sodium in a lot of very important functions. I'll cover that in another video, but we cannot do without sodium in the body. The key is we need very little sodium to function properly. Only around 500 milligrams a day, or maybe even a little bit less than that, to function properly. It's when we load up on a lot of salt that we get a lot more sodium into the body, and then it starts to create problems for us, health issues. If we focus on whole foods in their natural state, unadulterated, we can get by without adding any salt whatsoever to our foods. Fresh fruits and vegetables and leafy greens and whole grains, nuts and seeds, even meats and seafoods will also have some amount of naturally occurring sodium in there. And that small amount that we can get from each food can be enough to meet our needs for our proper body functions. We can get by with never, ever, ever adding any salt or consuming any food that has added salt to it. Yes, I know it can taste good. We can develop a taste for it, and our taste buds get used to it and we begin to expect it. But it's not a necessary thing, and it can also cause some detrimental effects along the way if we eat too much salt. So understand the difference between sodium and salt, and we'll move forward from there in a series of videos. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye for now.